Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Commerce Treasure, where I discuss various commerce related MCQs and commerce related topics. In this video, I am going to continue my discussion on Davangere University MCOM entrance paper of 2021. I have already discussed the first 37 questions of this paper in two videos. If you have not seen those videos, I am putting the link into the description as well as in the I button. Do watch those videos, and without wasting much time, let us go to the last few questions of this paper. Which of the following is a tool of measure of variation of the items? Mode, mean, dispersion, hypothesis. So right answer is option number C, dispersion. Dispersion helps to find out the variation between the items. There are different measures of dispersion. Absolute measure of dispersion are range, standard deviation, quartile deviation, and mean deviation, whereas relative measure of dispersions are coefficient of range, coefficient of variation, coefficient of quartile deviation, and coefficient of mean deviation. So remember all these points. A coin is tossed 4 times. What is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads? 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 2 by 8. Now, how do you compute probability? Probability is computed by the formula number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. So how many favorable outcomes are there, what you want, and how many possible outcomes are there. So in this case, possible outcomes are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 4 times you are tossing a coin, and every time you toss it may be either head or tail. So 4 times 2, or 2 to the power of 4. So it will be 2 into 2 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So there are total 16 possible outcomes. Now let us see what is the favorable outcomes of getting 2 heads. So favorable outcome of getting 2 heads can be calculated by the formula 4C2. That is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So n is nothing but 4. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 4 factorial, and 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial, which is 2 into 1, and again r is nothing but 2 factorial, 2 into 1. So 2 and 2 4 gets cancelled, 3 2s are 6. So 6 divided by 16, or 2 into 3 and 2 into 8. 3 by 8, option number B is the right answer for this question. The number of observation to include in statistical sample is sampling unit, sample size, universe, population. Option number B, it is called as sample size. The total number of units are called as universe or population, which is denoted by capital N, and from that what you are going to select is called as small n, or sample size. Which of the following is considered non-parametric test? ANOVA, Kruskal-Wallis test, F-test, T-test. So ANOVA test, F-test and T-test, all three are parametric test, and Kruskal-Wallis test is a non-parametric test. Along with this, chi-square test and Mann-Whitney test are also different types of non-parametric test. Even Wilcoxon-Drang test also comes in this category. Which of the following is the first step in starting the research process? Searching source of information to locate problem? No. Survey of related literature? No. Searching solution? It is the last step. So identification of problem is always the first step. You start with identifying the problem, then you search for related literature, then you go for finding out the various source of information, and finally you solve the problem. A variable that changes due to the action of another variable is known as independent, extraneous variable, complex variable, dependent variable. So option number D, dependent variable, is the right answer. The value of dependent variable is dependent upon independent variable. So as the independent variable changes, dependent variable also goes on changing. For example, number of studying hours and your marks. Here your marks are dependent variable and number of studying are independent variable. More you study, more will be your marks. This is how independent and dependent variable work. A literature review is based on assumption that copy from the work of others, knowledge accumulates and learns from the work of other, knowledge of this accumulates, none of the above. So option number B, that is knowledge accumulates and learns from the work from other, is the main assumption of literature review. You study what work has been done by other persons and then you try to extend their work or do some other work based on the previous works. Conducting survey is the most common method of generating primary data, secondary data, qualitative data, none of the above. So option number A, primary data, is the right answer for this question. Primary data is the data which is collected for the first time with the help of survey or questionnaire or interview or schedules, while secondary data is the data which has already been collected by different person. It may be from websites, internet, government reports, from some books, magazine, newspaper, etc. Computer monitor is also known as DVU, no, UVD, no, VDU, yes. So it is also called as visual display unit. 8 bits make up a byte, megabyte, kilobyte, terabyte. So option number A, byte, is the right answer. 8 bits become a byte, 4 becomes a nibble, then 1024 bytes becomes 1 kilobyte, then 1024 KB becomes 1 MB, 1024 MB becomes 1 GB, and then 1024 GB becomes 1 TB or 1 terabyte. Software that combines multiple application into one package is called application software, integrated software, system software, network software. So option number B, integrated software, is a right answer. Integrated, which means combination. For example, Microsoft Office, it includes MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, etc. So it is called as an integrated software. The next question is, what is Hawala? Full details of a subject, no. Illegal trading of share, no. Tax evasion, no. Illegal transaction of foreign exchange, yes. So Hawala transactions are nothing but these are the illegal transactions which are done in foreign exchange to convert the black money into white money. The last question of this paper is, the oldest form of organization is partnership, sole proprietor, joint stock company, cooperative undertaking. So option number B, sole proprietor, is the oldest form of business organization. So this is all about this paper. If you have any doubts, you can please comment me in the comment box. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching this video and we shall meet again in another video.